Surat al-Alaq, chapter of Clotted Blood. In the name of Allah, the Merciful, the Compassionate, recite in the name of thy Lord, who created man from clotted blood. Recite, for thy Lord is the most generous, who taught by the pen, taught man what he did not know. Nay, but verily man acts presumptuously, because he thinks himself independent. Verily to thy Lord is the return. Hast thou considered him who restrains the servant when he prays? Hast thou considered if he be following the guidance or urging to piety? Hast thou considered if he had counted false and turned away? Does he not know that Allah sees? Nay, but surely if he does not desist, we shall seize him by the forelock, a lying, sinful forelock. So let him call his counsel. We shall call the imps of hell. Nay, obey him not, but do obeisance and draw near. And so prostrate, facing back up. And remember that, if people are taking breaks to pray and stuff like that, unless they're doing some extreme stuff where they're filling up the entire prayer time with prayer, the prayer or something like that, hour-long prayers, that sort of thing, people who do such or take breaks every couple hours to meditate for a few minutes or something, they do better at their work. But these deeds are supposed to encourage piety in themselves, but you encourage piety and the good values and stuff that you pray with. That's the thing about ritual prayer. You're reciting stuff, and it's not just, well, I feel like saying this day and that day. No, you're doing the Confucian thing, and you're establishing and maintaining good character through ritual. Ren is a good character, and Li is ritual in the Chinese thing. So they can say their L's and R's. It just has to be in particular orders and places of words and that sort of thing, or they're not going to be used to it. And come on, WR, you're wrong. I mean, you're wrong. Getting used to silent letters is, most cultures don't have that. So in the back of their mind, if you read almost any other language, you're going to say, you're not going to know, say wrong or wrong or wrong. How are you supposed to say that? Are you supposed to say it like,